Are you looking for an engaging and educational experience? Look no further, Onesco Academy has got you. We are thrilled to introduce this channel, dedicated to providing high-quality educational content for learners of all ages. At Onesco Academy, we believe that learning should be accessible, entertaining, and impactful. Our channel aims to inspire curiosity and foster a love for learning by offering a wide range of educational videos across various subjects. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or simply someone who enjoys expanding their knowledge, you'll find something valuable on our channel. Here's what you can expect from Onesco Academy. 1. Engaging lessons. Our expert educators create captivating lessons that make learning fun and interactive. From math and science to history and literature, we cover a diverse range of topics to cater to different interests and learning styles. 2. Tutorials and how-to guides. Need help with a specific skill or want to learn something new? Our channel offers tutorials and how-to guides that provide step-by-step instructions, helping you acquire practical knowledge in various areas such as art, technology, cooking, and more. 3. Test prep and study tips. If you're preparing for exams or looking for effective study techniques, Onesco Academy has you covered. We provide valuable tips, strategies, and practice resources to help you excel academically. 4. Educational entertainment. Learning doesn't have to be dull. We incorporate elements of entertainment into our videos, making the educational experience enjoyable and memorable. And 5. Community engagement. We value the input and feedback from our viewers. Join our community and be part of the conversation through comments, likes, and shares. We love hearing from you and tailoring our content to your interests and needs. Therefore, don't miss out on the opportunity to expand your knowledge and explore new subjects. Subscribe to Onesco Academy today and embark on an exciting journey of learning and discovery. It's Onesco Academy. Let's learn together. See you in the next video.